Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is December the 16th and we're looking at silver right here. Spot silver 45 minutes time frame, and we continue to basically make record high after record high the entire year, right? And there is no one single reason to believe it has topped out in any way or form. And yeah, we will get a huge volatility. I mean, it's not going to be one-way street. However, there is no question about what the right side is, what the trend is, which direction that you should be aiming for, right? Now, instead of always trying to pick the top every single time, because you know there is a overbought indicator, and the overbought can last for months and years, right? And so it's not something that you can rely on. And so okay, so here we are looking for potentially a flat here in this wave 2 before higher again. Now we are sort of in the middle now, it's getting a bit choppy now, right? Stabilizing a little bit, but this is the new record high in silver not too long ago, and we have not broken above into new record high again. So technically we could, for example, do a double from here. This could be a double like this. Now by the way, if it is doing a double, that will be considered an extreme area, because it really is a 3 swings pullback measure from the high of the bullish sequence, right? This is record high. So if it does a 3 pullback, that can be considered really as the what we call the extreme zone. $60.30, 60 to 28 against 57.87, the 100% to 161.8%. Right, so from this area we could if it can go here. Now we're not calling that, because this rally, it kind of looks impulsive. So and then it can be a flat. So if it really do something like this, this area should be able to find support here and then extends to new high or bounce in 3 waves. Now if not, then we should hold above this 60.76 and then turns higher again once we complete this expanded flat structure, right? So that is the whole idea in the silver right now. Okay, so that's what we like, guys. We like the long side against this low in the first degree, and then second degree. If this fails, then this gonna be doing a double in the wave 4. We should be able to get support here, 60.28 against 57.80. Okay, target on the upside, well, the minimum target usually can be measured using 1.236 external retracement. So we could go to like 65.6 area minimum, provided wave 4 truly ends here. Okay, so that's what we like here, guys. And as always, if you want to get more updates on silver or any other metals, commodities, ETF, index, stocks, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.